Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to restore chat history on Messenger. The process is quick and simple. You just have to follow my ways and you will be able to restore your chats. So let's get started. First way is, if you see a message like restore messages, tap on it and enter your 6-digit PIN. If you remember it, this should instantly restore your encrypted chats. Step number 2 is for those users who does not remember their PIN. If you forgot your PIN, do not worry. You can still recover it if you have a backup code. If you do not have a backup code, what you have to do is you have more options. Just click on continue, and after continue you will be prompted an option that is continue with chat history. Just tap on it and carefully follow the on-screen instructions and you are all done. If this process does not work, what you have to do is you will likely see the same restore now message. Again, tap on it to proceed. Then go to the menu option and here tap on settings. Then select privacy and safety and scroll down to search end-to-end encrypted chats. Once found, click on it. Then tap on message storage and delete secure storage. And you are all done. Your Messenger chat history will now be restored or reset based on your chosen option. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.